take a look at the number, at your number sentence.
Oh, I know what this is.
So we've got,
13 right here.
okay, so we've got some number,
13.
we've got some number, right? Plus 9, plus 3.
13.
And that number equals 25. We don't really care what this number is right now. We just know it's missing. So the story would be, point to the missing add-a number. Wilson, point to the missing add-a number. An example of a story would be, there were some dogs at the park. 9 more dogs came and needed to be adopted. And then 3 more cats came and needed to be adopted at the park too. It ended up being 25 total dogs needed to be, or 25 total animals needed to be adopted. So we need to figure out what the missing number is. So can we talk about this before we write something? What would be an example that you guys can think of that would explain this story problem? You can do something with chickens. So what's your story? There's some chickens.
There are 13 chickens.
We don't care about 13 yet because we don't know it.
There's 9 chickens. And there's 9 chickens at the Thanksgiving part. The Thanksgiving.
Okay.
Thanksgiving. And then the farmer kills 3 more and then he brings them.
Okay.
Thanks.
What about this one?
And then he killed another 13 chickens. And he put them.
Where does it say 13 on this paper?
It doesn't say.
So let's not say 13, let's say some first.
Some.
And then how many dead turkeys were at Thanksgiving dinner?
25.
Okay, write it down. What's your idea, Ashton?
We can use 8 puppies, turkeys.
Okay, do it.
There were 9 puppies and 3 kittens.
Okay.
Some turkeys came to Thanksgiving. Again, 25 animals were eaten.
Okay. Write it down.
No.
Wilson, do you have an idea? What's your idea? Where'd you get 28? Okay. Where'd you get 2?
And 3 monkeys came to eat them.
Oh, interesting.
And then people
Ryland.
some more
Okay. So then what's your total? 25 what? Okay, write it down. Anna, what's your idea? Perfect. And so then there was how many total?
This is funny. 9 puppies.
Perfect. Write it down.
There were 9 puppies and 3 kittens. There were 9 puppies
Perfect.
and 3 kittens Then, Thanksgiving. Then, turkeys. What? Then some turkeys. Okay. In the end, Oh, this is so awesome. Remember every time we did
Okay, so read yours to me.
9 puppies and 3 kittens
At Thanksgiving.
at Thanksgiving. Then some turkeys came. In the end, 25 animals were eaten.
Okay, so this story problem has a missing add end, then 9, then 3, right? So your story problem should start out with the sum. So can we change this? So maybe instead of saying 9 right here, let's say
Some turkeys.
some turkeys, or some people. You can keep it, or some puppies, I mean. You can keep the puppies. Can be the missing amount. So some puppies.
Then I need to
And,
change this to 9.
Yep. 9 kittens.
And should I change?
And then you need to change some turkeys. Well, your kittens are 9, yep.
3.
Yep. And then 3 turkeys came. Okay, then 25 animals were eaten, period. So let's ask a question at the end. Let's try and figure out how many puppies were there at the beginning.
9 and 3 is 12. So add 12. Okay, then if I think add another 12, then you add a 10, 20. So then you add 13.
Perfect. Okay. Six, right? So what's my missing add end? 6. So 9 plus 6 equals 15. What was my other strategy to find the missing add end? Ashton,
You subtracting problem.
use the related subtraction. So in this example, 9 plus something equals 15. Ashton, what would my related subtraction problem be?
15 minus 9 equals 3.
So you take the sum minus the add-in that we know. Luke, can you sit up? And get our missing add-in. So what is 15 take away 9? Avery? Six. You got it. Okay, so we're gonna keep working on missing add-in problems tomorrow too. But you know 2 strategies: counting on to solve it, and then subtracting to solve it. Sometimes you're gonna notice that the missing add-in is the second number, Ashton, and sometimes you might notice that the missing add-in is the first number. So we're gonna take a look at both of those types of problems.